Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Tim back again, and in this video I'm gonna be walking you guys through how you can actually trade your Bitcoin and other coins on this website and then make a huge amount of money by doing that, right? So in case you have been a fan of buying Bitcoin and then keeping it waiting for it to rise and then you sell and make profit, this is actually another opportunity for you where you can actually trade on coins, right? Not only Bitcoin but probably on other coins, right? So stick around from the beginning of this video to the very end so that you guys should learn how you can actually trade on coins and then make a huge amount of money by doing that, right? So the platform we're actually going to be using for this is actually a platform called COIN or contractcoin.com, right? I would advise you guys to use the link down there to download the app. If you're using Android, you can actually use the Android link, but if you're using iOS, you can use the iOS link to download the app to get started, right? So after downloading the app, use the registration link down there in the description and it will bring you to this page. Now let me inform you guys, if you invite anybody to register on this platform, you're receiving $0.5 for doing that, right? So once anybody uses your referral link to register on this platform, you are receiving $0.5 for doing that, right? So with that being said, after clicking to bring you to this page where you input in your phone number, after inputting in your phone number, then inputting this catchy code, right? So anyone that pops up for you, you put it in right here, right? So after that, you click on obtain to obtain OTP code, right? So they're actually going to be sending the OTP code to the number you input here, and after that you input in the password. Now if you use my link, my invitation code is going to be displaying here, and after that make sure you tick this. After ticking that, then go ahead and sign up, right? So I'm gonna hop into my dashboard right now to walk you guys through how you can actually use this platform to make a whole bunch of money, right? So if you look closely on my screen right now, you see the app right here, COINCHECK. So go ahead and click on your app after downloading. So that's actually where I'm gonna log into my account so that you guys will see a whole bunch of things about this platform. So once you open your app and log into your account, this is the first interface you're gonna see. So you're actually gonna be receiving a whopping amount of 10 USDT for free, right? Just for joining the platform. And remember, if you refer anybody, you are receiving $0.50 for doing that, right? So I'm going to show you guys my own asset so that you guys will verify what I just said, right? So when I joined this platform, I was gifted with $10 for joining, right? Then I used the $10 that I was given to make extra money, right? I made extra $16. So if you guys can see, so if you guys look closely on my screen, I have $26 left in this my account, right? So I'm going to walk you guys through how you can actually use this money that they will give you to make more money, and also I'm going to show you guys how to actually fund your account with more money. So if you want to recharge or fund your account, click on this buy USDT. If you click on buy USDT, it's going to bring you to this page. It's going to show you your balance, and also the time I'm doing this video, 1 USDT is valued at 500 Naira, right? USDT is actually the digital form for dollar. So currently I have 10 USDT, and if you click on the quantity, you're going to input in the quantity you want to buy, right? So let's say you want to buy $100, right? So if you click on that, it's going to show you the equivalence in Nigerian Naira, right? So click on buy. If you click on buy, then this page is going to pop up. Then you're going to be paying with your bank card, right? Click on this button to pay. If you look closely on the screen right now, you are given a time of 30 minutes, right? So you have 30 minutes to make your payment and then verify it, right? So this is actually the bank name you're going to be paying to, and this is the bank branch, and also this is the bank account. Then copy all these details, then open your mobile banking, then so transfer the money you want to fund your account with to this account details, right? Then after doing that, scroll down. Now you can copy this order number, right? If you copy the order number, then click on I have paid, right? If you click on I have paid, now inputting your phone password, this is actually your password. Then after that you confirm, right? After confirming that, you wait for some minutes. Your account is going to be funded with the amount you recharged, right? If anything goes wrong, of course nothing is going to go wrong, you can click on the online customer service and they will attend to you immediately, right? Nothing will go wrong, and once you provide them with the order number, your account is going to be funded immediately, right? So I'm going to go back to walk you guys through how you can actually make the money out from this platform. So to get started with making money on this platform, as you guys can see, we have a whole bunch of coins that you can actually invest in. This is not all we've got, we have a whole bunch of other ones, so I'm going to walk you guys through how you can actually do that. So if you click on contract, it's going to bring you to this page, and on this page we are going to be trading on different cryptos, right? This is actually the one for BTC, and if you want to change the crypto you want to trade on, click on here. If you click here, it's going to show you the available cryptos. We have FIL, we have Ethereum, so we can go ahead and select the BTC and determine, right? So after that, wait for it. Now it will reflect, right? So this is actually the current value of BTC, which is actually $35,000. So you can go ahead and see how the chart have been doing before you make your predictions. You have to observe very well, and I will advise you guys to always zoom in to see what is actually going to be happening, right? So we're actually going to be predicting what's going to happen maybe in the next 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 5 minutes, 8 minutes, right? So if you want to observe very well. So what we're going to be doing is this: you're going to be predicting if this chart is actually going to be going up or down, right? So if you have the instinct, or if you know very well from your observations that this chart is actually going to be going up in the next 5-10 minutes, depending on what you want to select, right? So what you're going to do is to select the green, right? I'm going to actually show you guys how to do that right away, right? So I want to actually make sure that you guys understand everything before we get started. So if you have the instinct that is going to increase in the next 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 60 minutes, you can select the one you want, right? So I'm actually going to be taking my next decision for the next 15 minutes, right? So what I'm going to do right now is scroll down, click on here to select the quantity, right? Now if you don't want to trade with your USDT, which is digital form for dollar, you can click here to change the currency you want to use, right? You can use the COINCHECK coin, right? You can actually select your USDT or your COINCHECK, right? So this is actually the native coin for this platform, right? So I'm actually going to be trading with my USDT, so I want to determine for that. So after that, you click on enter quantity to enter the quantity you want to invest in, right? I always prefer to trade at minimum risk, right? But before I continue this video, I'm not in any way a financial advisor, so you can trade with whichever value you want to trade with, right? So I'm gonna actually go with 0.1 USDT, right? So after that, you observe the market. As you guys can see, the market is actually going up right now, and I can select that it will continue to go up, but I'll reduce my time to 1 minute, right? So in most cases I trade with 1 minute so that the whole thing will get concluded immediately and I'll make my money quickly, right? So as you guys can see, the market is actually going up, so I'm going to select 0.1. now I'll wait and observe the market again, right? If it's still going up, I'm going to go ahead and tap on green. Now allow it for you to process your trade. Now my trade have been processed successfully, right? So for you to see your ongoing trade, you can click here. If you click here, it's going to bring you to this page, right? So as you guys can see, the one I selected that the market is going to fall in the next minute, right? So let's wait to see what's going to happen. If my trade is actually going to be successful, it's going to show me here. So as you guys can see, I've had a whole lot of trades on this platform, a whole lot of successful trades, and also I have the failed ones. So you can actually allow the trade to run till the end, and after that you can come to this button and see how your trade actually did, right? So this is actually a rough guess because I didn't really settle down to observe how the market have been doing. But before you embark on any trade, I would advise you guys to always observe the market, calm down, analyze things yourself, so that you don't go ahead and waste your money, right? So you can actually lose your money doing this. This is actually more like gambling, right? So you have to observe very well before you inputting your money on this platform. So by doing this, you can actually increase your stake to $1, $0.5, to any amount you can afford to lose, right? So don't invest more than you cannot afford to lose. You all should know that the Bitcoin market is a very volatile market. Anything can happen at a very mini second, right? So you can actually lose the money and you can actually make it all, right? So you can select other coins like I showed you guys. You can select other coins by clicking here. You can select anyone you want to trade with, right? So I believe you guys get what I'm trying to say. But with that being said, I'm going to walk you guys through other things that you can actually do on this platform to make more money, right? So click on CC. So here you can see the total pool in circulation. You can see a whole bunch of other things, right? You can see my CC assets. Now I'm going to show you guys how to actually transfer your USDT to CC, right? So CC actually means COINCHECK, right? So I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to convert your USDT to the native coin of this platform, right? So click on transfer. If you click on transfer, it's going to bring you to this page. Remember, I have USDT in my balance, right? So I'm going to go ahead and convert my USDT to CC, right, which is actually COINCHECK, right? So for me to be able to do that, I'm gonna go ahead and click on this. If I click on this, I'll select USDT, determine, right? So after doing that, I'm gonna click on this, right? As you guys can see, my fund account is already up here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and input the amount of money that I want to transfer to the native coin of this platform. So I'm gonna click here. If I click here, I'm gonna input in the number. So let's say I want to transfer $2 to COINCHECK, or let me increase it a little bit to $5. But if you want to transfer all your USDT to the COINCHECK, you can actually select all and everything will come up here, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and reduce it to $5, right? So select $5, and after that click on transfer. Successfully transferred, right? So the money have been transferred to my CC, and I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to use CC to also trade on this platform. So go back. If you go back to the page, click on contract. So to use your CC to actually trade on this platform, as you guys can see, the balance I have in my USDT is $5, and the balance I have in my CC is actually 0.417700 CC, right? So to change your currency from USDT to CC, click on this button, then select CC, right? After that, you determine. Then after that, click on quantity. So you put in any amount of money that you want to trade with. Say 0.01, that's my choice. You can include the one you want. You can increase your stake to make more, but just remember that you can actually lose by doing that, right? So after that, you observe the market, see what is happening, and after that, you go ahead and click on what's going to happen depending on the time you want to include, right? You can actually include 30 minutes, right? After observing, I'm not going to waste your time by observing the whole thing. So if it's going up, you click. If it's going down, you click. So after that, you go ahead and select the one you want, and everything will be placed successfully. Now if you want to withdraw your money, go ahead and click on assets. Now it will bring you to this page where you'll be able to see your balance and everything, right? So if you want to see your CC balance, click on CC account. It's going to show you your balance in CC, right? So this is actually my total asset. So if I want to withdraw my money, I want to go ahead and click on sell USDT, right? So it's going to bring me to this page, but before then, make sure you convert all your CC to USDT, right? So I've showed you guys how to actually do that. So to go ahead and sell or withdraw our money, click on sell USDT. If you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page, right? If it brings you to this page, go ahead and include the quantity you want to actually withdraw. Let's say $5, because that's all you have in our balance right now. Click on sell now, right? If you click on sell now, it's going to bring you to this page. Now remember, you have not inputted your bank details, so click on modify the payment method. So we are going to be selecting our bank card, so click on bank card. It will bring you to this page where you'll be able to put in your name. That's actually the name you use to register for your bank, right? So after that, click on the bank name. That's actually the Union Bank, the Fidelity Bank, the First Bank, the Zenith Bank, any bank you're using, include the name of the bank here. So after that, go ahead and input your bank account number, right? So this is actually the bank account number you're using to receive money. And after that, put in the opening branch. So this is actually the branch your own is located at. Go ahead and put it in here. And after that, include the cache. This is actually the cache that you can repeat that in this place, and then go ahead and receive an OTP code, right? So remember, this platform is very security conscious. They want to make sure that you're the one authorizing any transaction that is going on your account. So after that, go ahead and bind your account to your main account, right? So after that, you go back, then click on submit. So remember, I didn't input anything, so if I click on submit, it's not going to submit. It's going to show me this, that I didn't choose any payment method. And once you're done with all those processes I just showed you guys, if you click on submit, your money is going to be sent to you immediately, right? You're going to be receiving your money immediately. And so that's actually how to make money from this platform. And I believe you guys have been able to obtain value from this video. And please remember, you can actually make money by referring your family and friends. And if you want to invite some people or your family or your friends, go ahead and click on invite rebate. If you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. Now go ahead and copy your invitation code, right? You can copy the link or you can copy the code. I always advise you guys to use the link so that you don't need to bother yourself about sending people the code and the URL code and all this stuff. So you can copy your referral link, then share with your family and friends. They can use it to register, and once they do, you receive free coins, and also you receive $0.5 for doing that, right? So with that being said, I think that's pretty much all I have for this video. Please, if you like the video, make sure you drop a like and also drop a comment down there. And also you can use my link down there to register, because I'm actually going to be receiving a bonus, and you too, for registering, you're actually going to be receiving $10 for registering, right? So with that being said, I'm going to bring this video to an end. Please follow me on Instagram at DonTim TV, and with that, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Peace.